Hi, I'm Cooper Hopman, Facilities Manager of the Royal New Zealand Yacht Squadron. We're here at our site at Kawau Island. We've just installed a wireless Waterwatch tank monitor to help us monitor our 10 20,000 litre water tanks that we have up here. This will give us greater insights into water usage over the summer period, where occasionally we have run out of water up here due to pump failures or taps being left on overnight. We rent out Guard house to Squadron members, so it's important to ensure that there's always constant water access there. We supply water to Kawau Island Boating Club and Restaurant, and it's always important to ensure that they have enough water on hand to be able to operate throughout the summer. It's going to be great that we can check the tanks from in Auckland so that we don't have to come up here to check them on site. It'll give us greater flexibility on how we manage our water going forwards.